Hey everyone, Sarah here, back with another monthly plan with me for February. So, hopefully I'll get this up tonight if I'm lucky, because it is the first, so we want to get this done. And I'm going to be using one of my monthly, monthly kit words. Oh my god, I keep saying files or printables. My monthly kits. So this is the February one. It's kind of have Valentine's themey, but not too hardcore Valentine's themey. And just so you know, March is already up in the shop. I'm hoping to have April up very soon. And I'm hoping to get a few months ahead of things because I know that the last minute ordering of them can be kind of stressful. So, but without further ado, let's get into this because we don't need to have any yammering on about stuff. Getting things done. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if part of this is a speed through. Having trouble lately being really productive in my day-to-day. Sometimes the working from home gets to me a little bit, and I find myself just like not even working. But I've been on my computer a lot, so I've been in a lot of, I'm having a lot of pain again now. So that's unfortunate. Alright, let's just see. So we've got these down already. And I've got this big washi here for the 4 days up here to block off. But yeah, it's just kind of like, I think I just need to get refocused. The last 2 weeks I haven't had my like full-on productivity Sundays where me and my friend Jess get together on Sunday at a Starbucks, and that's when I really just plan out my month, my week, and just plan things out in general. And I feel like now when I don't have those, I'm not being as productive as I could be. But also it's because I found this new game on my phone, and I don't play games on my phone usually, but this one is incredibly addicting, like super addictive. All right, so I think I'm actually gonna call this a wish list this time because it really is a wish list of to-dos, and there's gonna be so many. I'm not gonna separate them all by like different things like work and stuff. I'm just gonna write them all here because now I know when I'm moving to Seattle, which brings on a whole new slew of mess to have to deal with, so this should be interesting. Just see how this goes down. It's a little bit, whoop, good enough. All right, that's not too bad. Okay, so let's see. In terms of, we only have one full box going on for this month, just so that we could fit both washi covers in. And I don't think that there's a specific day yet that I need this for because I don't know. I don't really have, like, I don't know when my husband's coming home to visit, but I think the plan is that at some point in February he might, or early March. But that's still up in the air, so I think I'll just leave it without that for now. Or maybe Family Day. I think Family Day is in February. So maybe I'll just check on that. Alright, so March 19th is Family Day, so maybe I'll go home that weekend to see my family. But yeah, okay, I'll put it here. I'll put it here. That's fine. All right. And then what else do we have? We will have a rent payment on the 1st today, even though I kind of missed it already because they probably are closed by now. Oops. And then I have 2 invoices this month. Here and here. I do feel like I do better in my day-to-day if I do my monthly spread, because I don't know, I just usually don't. Now, we haven't had a ton of sales on the Valentine's Day kit, but maybe I just launched it too late. So I think it's gonna retire. I'm probably gonna retire it tomorrow on the Friday. Or maybe I'll retire it on the Saturday, because that way no, like 5 days isn't enough time, so it's getting retired. So I will put that here. Make sure I do that. Trying to retire things 2 weeks before the actual event, just to keep the shop more simple. And I think those are kind of the main things. That I have things for Chinese New Year and Groundhog Day, but I don't think I need to put, I don't really care about that stuff as much, so I'll just do my dates. Alright, so we got our numbers down, and I think that I will use, let's just see, I'm going to use the half boxes for my Productivity Sundays, just to kind of add, there's not really a lot going on in this month in terms of like events that are planned, so I figure why not? Although this one actually wouldn't be going if I'm home with my parents, so I'll take that one off. And then we'll put that one down here. Okay. Now, what else? Okay. So I think at this point I'll probably end up doing pen. I will put these payday stickers down for my Etsy paydays. And I do have, February 23rd is actually kind of a special day for me as well. It's the anniversary of when I was basically told I was in remission, so I kind of count it as like my cancer-free anniversary. So I'm gonna put that in there. I always almost forget, but looks like I just figured it out in time. And then, so I think now I can just do pen. I'm not going to do pen on screen for a monthly because that's just long and boring. But then I'll come back afterwards just to show you the final finished thing. Okay, so I've got most of my pen down, and I'm just going to use a couple of stickers. I've got these Bill ones from Hello Happiness Co. then I love to just kind of mark those invoices for that. Always cute and easy. And then for my productivity Sundays, I'm going to use these coffee cups from Hello Happiness Co. as well. I like the ones with the glasses because that just seems like I'm, you know, going to be more productive. And my glasses look pretty much exactly like that when I wear them, so put those down on these guys. Kind of blocking my ass on that one. And then for my anxiety aids, I've got my Fuck Cancer stickers. And I mean, this is pretty much the only time of year where I get to use them. So, very appropriate. Put one there on that day. And I think that'll be it for this video. So please be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and like this video if you liked it, and comment below if you do you do monthly kit, like a monthly spread, or do you just like to do weekly spreads, or do you not like to do either of them and just kind of just do pen and stuff. Personally, I would say money-wise, a monthly spread is like the most money-friendly route because you just buy a little kit for the whole month. But so if you ever want to have like pretty spreads, you're all like, you know, you're like really like the kits but don't want to have all the costs associated, then you may want to try out a monthly spread for that, and then just use your weeklies as like checklists, things like that. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!